Welcome to Weekist. This video is about our solar system, and let's begin. What is solar system? Solar means something related to sun, and the family of sun is therefore called solar system. Solar system means the sun together with 8 planets, their moon, and all other bodies that orbit it, including dwarf planet, asteroid, comet, and meteoroids. Solar system simply means a system that consists of the sun and everything that orbits or travel around the sun. Space. So what is space? Space is everything in the universe beyond the top of Earth's atmosphere. Then what are celestial bodies? Celestial bodies are all those objects which shine in the night sky. That means the sun, the moon, and all the objects shining in the night sky. We call it as celestial bodies. Moving to stars. What are stars? Stars are celestial bodies which are very big and hot. They are made up of gases and have their own heat and light which they emit in large amount. So these celestial very big and hot celestial bodies which emit their own heat and light is what we call it as stars. And our sun is the nearest star. Pole star. A pole star or a polar star is a star which is preferably bright in the night sky, and it always remains in the same position in the sky. In ancient times, people used to determine direction during the night with the help of these stars. The North Star indicates the north direction. It is also called the polar star. Constellations. A constellation is a group of stars which make up imaginary outline or pattern in the night sky. Usually they are said to represent an animal or mythological characteristics of persons in shape. Various patterns formed by different groups of stars is known as constellations. Moving on to planets. The celestial bodies which do not have their own heat and light and gets light from the stars. Such bodies are called planets. Our planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. In order from the Sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. All the 8 planets of the solar system move around the Sun in a fixed path, and these paths are called orbits. Our solar system is made up by celestial bodies. Celestial bodies are natural objects in the sky, and they can be the Sun, planets, satellites, comets, asteroids, and meteoroids. The Sun. The Sun is in the center of the solar system. It is huge and made up of extremely hot gases. It provides the pulling force that binds the solar system. The Sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. That's why Sun is placed in the center of our solar system. Moving on to planets. Our first planet from the Sun is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest and innermost planet in the solar system. Its orbit around the Sun takes 87.97 days and have the shortest of all other planets in the solar system. Our next planet is Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. Venus orbits the Sun every 224 days with the rotation period of 243 days. It takes longer to rotate in its own axis than any other planet in the solar system. Venus is considered as Earth twin because its size and shape are very much similar to that of Earth. Earth, our planet. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only astronomical object known to harbor life. According to radiometric dating, estimation, and other evidences, Earth formed over 4.5 billion years ago. In the size, it is the fifth largest planet and it is slightly flattened at the poles. That is why its shape is described as geoid. Geoid means Earth-like shape. From the outer space, Earth appears blue because its two-thirds surface is covered by water, and it is therefore called blue planet. Our Earth has only one natural satellite, that is the Moon. The Moon moves around the Earth in 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the Moon is visible to us on the Earth. Moving on to our next planet, that is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system, being larger than only Mercury. Our next planet is the largest planet in the solar system, that is the Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and considered to be the largest in the solar system. Jupiter is one of the brightest objects visible to the naked eye in the night sky and has also been known to ancient civilization since before recorded history. Our next planet is a planet with rings, that is Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system after Jupiter. Our next planet is Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and the Uranian axis of rotation is approximately parallel with the plane of Solar. And our last planet is Neptune. Neptune is the eighth and furthest non-solar planet from the Sun. In the solar system, it is the fourth largest planet by diameter. So now let's recall the name of all 8 planets. Starting from the Sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So here on the screen, now you can see a small comparison of the size of each planet, and lastly it is compared with the Sun. Asteroids. Asteroids, apart from the Sun, stars, planets and satellites, there are many tiny bodies which also move around the Sun. These bodies are called asteroids. Asteroids are mainly found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Between the Mars and Jupiter, we have an asteroid belt. Scientists are of the view that asteroids were part of planet which exploded many years back. Meteoroids. Meteoroids are the small pieces of rock which move around the Sun in the space. Sometimes these meteoroids come near the Earth and tend to fall on it. Comets. Comets are basically the dusty snowballs which orbit around the Sun. They are made up of ice, water, carbon dioxide, methane mixed with dust, etc. Galaxy. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. There are millions of such galaxies that makes the universe. So, universe includes millions of galaxies. All existing matters, space, considered as a whole is what we call it as universe.